Absolutely not.
Do you see it? Samantha, do you see it?
Yes. It's right
Where is
here.
it? Oh shit. Yeah.
Get on! Get! Ah! Are you all right?
Yeah.
I don't know where it went down the trail.
Yeah, it walked between us and y'all. Yeah. There, right there. Ha! Between us. Yeah. You see it? Okay. We got a bear. Cooking dinner is gonna be fun tonight. Or falls and breaks his stupid bare neck. He done this before, you know. He ain't scared of us.
What if he gets it?
Then we don't have breakfast.
Well, he tried that tree, he tried that tree. It doesn't seem he can do it. You know, he gonna just
Плохое слово.
I hope he does. He buses.
Это плохое слово.
So close to it.
Huh! Yeah. Well, to the left. Go back. Yeah. Yeah, we're good.